because if I let this run all day, for example, it's checking every 5 minutes. So, in a couple hours, I could see the CSV with all the markets that we've landed on consensus. So it'd be cool if we had a one CSV that always stored all our consensus trades with the market side and then the link as well, and then how many people or how many AIs said consensus for. Anyways, explain how that's done now and if we need to update it in order to execute the vision I just laid out for you. Thank you. Market just opened 5 minutes ago, so there's some volatility. Shoot, I shouldn't have closed that. My bad, but I did. Now I'm interested to see what it could do on the deep web. Okay, that'd be fire. Bad vibes for real. Yeah, I can't trade bad vibes, dude. That's just bad juju. Don't want that bad juju. Okay, let's see here. She did a big update here. So let's go ahead and see what the dashboard is looking like. Perfect. The health check confirms everything is working beautifully. Here's the summary of the completed work. Stress test complete. Critical bug fixed and found. Found and fixed. Test iterations 10 cycles. 9 out of 10 successful. 90%. Okay. Records tested 278. Duplicates removed. Stats accuracy, beautiful. File not found. Okay. API was doing old, fixed, updated. This was likely causing your production failure 1 to 4 hours. Okay. Current production status is live. Okay. It's on the back end, 1 hour, 24 hours. This is liquidation data. Proof it's working. The records count increased from 949 to 950,000 plus 75, 759. Beautiful. Why it won't break again. Path bug fixed, beautiful error handling, NAND protection, monitor tools, stress tested. Your data will keep collecting. The deep problem you suspected has been found and eliminated. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. Was down 200 from London, now 49, getting back towards green here. Okay. London session or what you talking about? What you talking about, Willis? What you talking about, Willis? What you talking about, Willis? Okay, so that should be Gucci. Now let's go ahead and check it out on the actual thing. Okay, let's say refresh here. So 4.9 now. Now it's 6.5. Okay, good. And we got the liquidations coming through here. But hey, dude, one thing is going wrong here. You can see short liquidations. Okay, I don't know if the large is working well. Awesome. Okay, now that if that works, that's great. Now let's talk about the small and the large WebSocket liquidations that are coming through. I think they're not working because essentially I see on my terminal where I'm tracking on my local machine the same WebSocket. I see that it's 5 long liquidations. The latest liquidations are long liquidations, but for some reason on our back on the website here, it shows that we have 5 short liquidations. It's not reversed because it's not they're not the same symbols. So for example, our front end shows that there's been an XRP, 3 XRP liquidations and 2 BTCs. But on my terminal on my computer, which I know is right, it shows a BTC liquidation, a SOL liquidation, a ETH, a ADA, and a FART liquidation, all long liquidations, while our backend shows short liquidation. So it looks like something is broken on our backend on our website. Okay, so let's go ahead and fix that here. And let's go ahead and see what's going on. So this is the Polymarket agent. Again, that's all in GitHub here on the agents page. If you go to the Polymarket agent, I'm about to update the newest version here. I've added a dedicated CSV system for tracking consensus picks over time. Here's how it works. The current CSV system before changes, markets.csv, all markets tracked from WebSocket, every trade over $100. Columns, timestamp, market ID, title, price, size, USD, etc. appends new markets as they're discovered. Predictions.csv, all market predictions from each analysis run. Okay. Columns, timestamp, run ID, market title. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. New is the consensus pick CSV. Okay. What I just added, consensus picks.csv. So we're gonna put it in the poly market data. Beautiful. Consensus picks append only is true. Okay. Let's go ahead and see how it works. Every 5 minutes, when analysis runs, analyzes 25 markets. Consensus AI picks up the five strongest agreements. Okay. Blue background displays the top five. Is new part here is it parses the consensus response and saves those five picks. Okay. Let's go ahead and run it and make sure it works. And I'm going to push it to GitHub because I believe code is a great equalizer. I believe if I show you everything,